Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HD Orion. We are studying accounting for partnership firms for class 12th and the book is T.S. Gerewal chapter 6 Retirement of a Partner. Now we will discuss hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill question number 20. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4/9 is to 3/9 is to 2/9. B retires and his capital after making adjustments for reserves and gain, that is profit, on revaluation stands at rupees 1,39,200. A and C agreed to pay him rupees 1,50,000 in full settlement of his claim. Record necessary journal entries for adjustment of goodwill if the new profit sharing ratio is decided at 5:3. So firstly, we will calculate the goodwill for the retiring partner. Retiring partner was supposed to be paid rupees 1,39,200, but the firm has paid rupees 1,50,000. That is rupees 10,800 more. So this 10,800 is the goodwill which is paid by the firm to the retiring partner. And this 10,800 goodwill will be contributed by the continuing partner A and C in gaining ratio. So first we will calculate the gaining ratio, calculate the goodwill, and then we will pass the journal entry. So solution 20. There are three partners. A is to B is to C is equal to 4/9 is to 3/9 is to 2/9, which is nothing but 4:3 is to 2. Now B retires. And the ratio between A and C, new ratio, is equal to 5:3. So we know that gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So for A is equal to 5/8, that is new ratio, minus old ratio is 4/9. C is equal to 3/8 minus 2/9. LCM will be 72, 45 minus 32. Here LCM is 72, 27 minus 16. Now you will get 13/72 and 11/72. So gaining ratio is equal to 13:11. Now let us calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. Goodwill of the retiring partner B. So amount paid minus adjusted capital of B. Amount to be paid to be by the firm is 1,50,000 minus capital adjusted capital balance. Capital balance of B, that is 1,39,200. So the difference between these two is 10,800. It means the capital balance says that B should get rupees 1,39,200, but the firm is paying him 1,50,000. So 10,800 extra which is paid to the retiring partner is his portion of goodwill, B's goodwill. Now this B's goodwill will be paid by the firm, by the continuing partner to the retiring partner in their gaining ratio. So how much will this 10,800 will be broken in the ratio 13:11. So how much will A pay and how much will C pay? That is equal to 10,800 into 13/24, and here 10,800 into 11/24. We will get an amount 5,850 and 4,950. So this much A will contribute and this much C will contribute, because A and C are gainers and B is leaving the firm, and therefore he has sacrificed his portion of profit. Let us see the journal entry now. So A's capital account debited, C's capital account also debited, to retiring partner B's capital account. So it is 5850 or 4950, 10,800 being goodwill paid to retiring partner in gaining ratio, which is 13:11. That's it. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching.